Hello guys, you're welcome to your daily entertainment bars right here on that TV. Please subscribe to this channel so I don't miss any of our content. Okay, straight to today's bars. We have stopped destroying the future of our son, Ekuapim Polo Baby Daddy one. So the baby daddy of actress Ekuapim Polo has cautioned her to consider the future of their kid in respect to her social media lifestyle. So that TV cited a video of the father of Ekuapim Polo's son, sending a strong caution to a baby mama. According to the man identified as Afoko, the sexually explicit lifestyle of Ekuapim Polo on social media isn't good for the future of the child. He warned the controversial actress to consider what people will say about their child if she keeps exposing her nude photos and videos to the public. I am concerned about my son's future, Ekuapim Polo. Have you thought about the consequences of your actions on social media? Have you thought about the fact that people will make fun of our son in school over your behavior on social media? You've been avoiding my calls, and I want you to know that my family and I will be coming for my son. The angry daddy then threatened to take the boy away from the socialite should she continue with her lifestyle. You are on social media exposing your body and flirting with men without thinking about our son. Wherever he's hiding, I am coming for him. Okay guys, so please subscribe to this channel so I don't miss any of our content. I come away sometime. It's bye for now.